Saint and Hassan Kapasi is talking about him. So yes, Hassan Kapasi, do you want to present the screen?
No, ma'am, I did. Want to see.
Okay, you want to read. Okay, read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first, Kabir's life. Kabir's
Beta,
life.
your voice is breaking. I am so sorry, but your voice is breaking. I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Now
switch
can you
on your video, beta?
my video? Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Yes. Life. Kabir's life. Kabir's birth is shrouded in a mystery. Mystery. Very likely he was born in a 1440 AD. Legends speak of his widowed Brahmin mother fearing
बेटा
ignominy.
आप जहाँ से रीड कर रहे हो स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर दो हसन का पास से.
What is share? Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Ma'am, इधर Kabir's
यस,
life.
गो अहेड.
Yes, Kabir's
कैन यू
birth
रोटेट
is.
योर स्क्रीन?
Yes,
थैंक यू.
yes. Life. Kabir's life. Kabir's birth is shrouded in a mystery. Mystery. Very likely he was born in a 1440 AD. Legends speak of his widowed Brahmin mother fearing. Ma'am, what is it written?
इग्नोमिनी.
Yes, ignominy and dishonor forsook him near a tank at Banners. Banners. Ironically, uh,
आयरॉनिकली
ironically, the honey drops dripping from the branch of a tree nearby sustained in the infant.
द इन्फेंट. लेट
And
मी
his
एक्सप्लेन यू. थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो हसन, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ
uh,
आपको.
मैम ये
तो
वाला.
हाँ जी, और थोड़ा सा जूम इन करो. So okay, enough with that. कबीर birth is shrouded in mystery. मतलब उसकी birth है वो बहुत बड़ी mystery है. And very likely he was born in 1440 AD. After death of Jesus Christ, 1440 के साल में he was born. Okay. Legends speak of his widowed Brahmin mother. Legends है वो उसकी मदर के बारे में बात करते हैं. उसके डैडी नहीं थे. That's why the mother was widowed. Widowed मतलब whose husband has died. Okay. Fearing ignominy and dishonor. ठीक है. And her mother was dishonored, forsook him near a tank at Banners. ठीक है. वो उसको एक टैंक के पास, बैनर्स के टैंक के पास लेके चली गई थी. Ironically, the honey drop dripping from the branch of a tree nearby sustained the infant. और what was happening? कि वो जिस पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे, where they were sitting under a tree, there was honey dripping from the branch of a tree. वहाँ पे honey comb होगा और उसमें से honey टपक रहा था. तो उसको खा के this Kabir sustained, survived somehow. Okay. Move ahead. Hassan
Yes,
Kapasi.
yes. Early in the morning, a weaver, Neeru and his wife Nima heard the weeping infant and gladly brought it to their own home. In this manner, the Brahmin child Kabir was brought up in the family of a Muslim weaver. Neeru's poverty prevented him from imparting education to Kabir, but since his early childhood, Kabir showed a remarkable inclination towards religion.
देन व्हाट हैपेंस कि उस कबीर की मम्मी है वो तो उसको वहाँ पेड़ के नीचे छोड़ के चली गई थी एंड ही वाज सर्वाइविंग ऑन हनी राइट. So one day early in the morning, the weaver Neeru and wife Neema, these two people, husband and wife, they heard the baby crying under the tree and they brought him home. Okay. And in this manner, Kabir was actually a Brahmin child, but he was born and brought up in a Muslim family. Okay. Neeru and Neema, they both were very poor and that's why they could not provide him education. ठीक है, तो Kabir could not gain education due to their poverty. But since his early childhood, Kabir showed a remarkable inclination towards religion. तो बचपन से Kabir was very much into the religion. Okay.
Yes.
Move ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I'll be teaching.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Here it is. Ma'am, teaching short is here.
Okay, बेटा.
Yes. Ma'am, here it is. Kabir's teaching.
Kabir's philosophical tenets were, yeah, okay, read.
Kabir's teaching. Kabir's philosophical tenets were extremely simple. He was known as the guiding spirit of the Bhakti movement. He preached bhakti of or devotion through the medium of his dohas. Kabir's dohas touched everybody's heart and he was endured by all.
Endured by all.
Yes.
Matlab, Kabir used to make dohas. Dohas are something that when we express our love to God through our prayers, that is called dohas. हम God को appreciate करते हैं कि आप ऐसे हैं, आप ऐसे हैं, okay? Appreciation. So Kabir used to write dohas, and through his dohas, everybody loved his dohas, and he was known as the guiding spirit of the Bhakti movement. Wherever Bhakti was done, his dohas were recited, okay? And everybody loved him very much. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Now let's move on to our chapter. Chapter 3. Do you want me to make you write in the fair book right now? मैं लिखा दूँ आपको?
Yes, ma'am. वो भी चलेगा.
ऐसा करना है? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो. Let's
मैम
do that.
लो
हाँ जी.
मैम मेरा जो है ना वो चैप्टर 3 कीवर्ड्स ही बाकी सब हो गया है.
Chapter 3 के keywords बाकी है.
यस मैम.
Okay. I've already sent you the keywords, no?
यस मैम.
चलो जिस के बाकी है उसको लिखा दे दे, ठीक है? चलो ठीक है, फिर बुक and
Yes,
start writing. Okay, here is the PDF for keywords. I'm showing you on the screen. You can write from here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is the screen being presented?
Yes.
Okay, can you see the keywords?
यस मैम.
Okay, come on, write the keywords. I'm giving you 5 minutes for the keywords, okay? Write this in your fair book. Those were not written. Who is present in the meeting? Ahad Dholia is present. Ahad Dholia.
No, ma'am. We are
Shafiq
Anas.
Karyani.
He is also not there.
Anas Sheikh is present.
Yes, Anas Asif, yes.
Okay. Are you all writing, beta? Say yes or no. Are you guys writing?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
we are right.
ma'am.
I'm giving you 5 minutes for this, okay?
Ma'am, what is written in knitting second line?
Interlocking loops of single yarn with
Okay,
needles.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hassan Naqvi is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that fibers are either natural, synthetic, and natural fibers and synthetic is with that only, no?
Yes, yes. डन बेटा?
यस मैम।
Written? Everybody has written?
यस मैम।
Ma'am, only Yan
Okay.
is left.
Okay, sorry, sorry.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay, everybody has written?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. So should I give you the अच्छा सुन लो पहले. There is your FA1 exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which date your FA1 exam is beginning?
31st July.
31 मैम।
Yes, correct. So what you have to do is your question paper will be of 20 marks. First 10 marks would be subjective, मतलब उसमें filling the blanks, multiple choice questions, true or false, match the following, ये सब चीजें आ जाएंगी, ठीक है? First 10 marks. Now the next 10 marks, you will have question answers. It will be of 2 or 3 marks. Am I audible to you guys and are you listening to me?
Yes,
यस
ma'am, we
मैम।
are listening to you.
Okay. So the next 10 marks, you will get question answers which will be of 2 and 3 marks. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes,
यस
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So अभी what I am thinking is कि मैं आपको चैप्टर 3 अभी लिखवाऊँ या मैं चैप्टर 1 आपको लर्न करा दूँ, आपको क्या चाहिए आप बता.
Ma'am, learn
मैम
करा
मेरा
दो.
तो मैम मैंने तो लिख लिया चैप्टर 3, अभी तो
Ma'am,
पूरा
learn
किया।
करा दो.
ओके, चैप्टर 3 लिख लिया है ना आपने? तो मैं आपको चैप्टर
Yes,
1 लर्न करा दूँ.
yes. Ma'am,
फर्स्ट
only
2
chapter
चैप्टर्स आने
3.
वाले हैं, चैप्टर 1 एंड चैप्टर 2 आने वाले हैं आपको. तो
Ma'am, what?
ये लेक्चर में हम चैप्टर 1 लर्न कर लेते हैं, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हम चैप्टर 2 लर्न कर लेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. वो
ओके
दोनों
मैम।
मैम में
ओके
लिख लिए.
ओके, वेरी गुड. चलो. So the first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? So the answer will be, देखो ये 2 marks का answer है, ठीक है? It can be asked in 3 marks also and it can be asked in 2 marks also, whatever I can, क्योंकि there are 3 definitions. Can you see here? Where's my pen now? See, there are 3 definitions: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Correct? So
Yes,
it becomes 3 marks, right?
yes,
है ना? So,
yes.
do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? What will be the answer? No. All living beings do not need the same kind of food. Some animals will eat plants as the food and they are called herbivores. Some animals will eat animals and they are called carnivores. Some animals eat both plants and animals and they are called omnivores. First answer learn हो गया. ये definitions तो हमने बहुत अच्छे से कर ली थी when we did the
Yes,
chapter.
यस मैम, मैंने
चलो,
तो कल या परसों हुए ना आधा लेसन पूरा कर दिया था।
very good. चलो, then Anas Sheikh beta, will you say the answer? Anas Sheikh?
Yes, ma'am. No, all
हाँ
living
बेटा.
beings do not eat the same kind of food. Some animals eat plants as food and they are called herbivores. Some animals eat other animals and they are called as carnivorous. Some others eat food from plant sources as well as animals, and such living beings are called omnivores.
मुंह ज़बानी बोल सकते हो आप? मुंह ज़बानी बोल सकते हो बेटा?
मैम मैं बोल सकता हूँ।
हाँ जी, बोलो.
ओके मैम। No, all living beings do not need the same kind of food. Some animals some animals eat plants as food, so and they are called herbivores. Some animals eat other animals, and they are called carnivores. And such living beings eat both of eat plants as well as animals. And such living beings are called omnivores.
Very good. Chalo. Let's move on to. I hope that everybody has learned question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you? Yes. Chalo. Let's move on to question number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. The first one will be, देखो, we need to name 5 plant parts: fruit, seed, stem, leaves and roots. तो पहले fruit का नाम बता देंगे, which is brinjal. Seed का नाम groundnut. Stem, potato. Leaves, spinach and roots, beetroot. It can be carrot or radish also in roots. Leaves में you can say cabbage also. Cabbage is also a leaf, right? तो आपको जो लिखना है वो लिख सकते हैं. It's not compulsory.
Ma'am,
So, chalo, name the 5 plant parts and plants and their parts that we eat. फटाफट learn कर लो, चलो 1 मिनट में.
Ma'am, in
ma'am,
जी.
hello, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ बोलो.
मैम इसको हम एग्जाम में मतलब अनदर ऑर्डर में लिख सकते हैं. मींस पहले
हाँ हाँ लिख
मींस पहले
सकते हैं.
ग्राउंडनट लिख सकते हैं.
जी 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 लिख सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
ma'am, in answer
हाँ.
1, that 3 definitions are there. In that we write in own, so that's means related to answer
It's
only.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, it's okay. You can write in your own words. Everybody is free to write in their own words. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये मुंह ज़बानी करो, रटो और फिर पेपर पे उतारो. That is not required. आपको जो समझ में आया है, आपको जो लिखना है, आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, आपके own words में. I will give you marks for that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, चलो. Have you learned question number 2?
Yes, ma'am. Learn.
यस मैम.
Okay. Can you name the plants and their parts?
Yes, ma'am. Can I say Hassan?
Yes.
Without saying, ma'am. Without.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
can I say?
without saying. Okay, चलो. Yes,
Okay,
beta, you
ma'am.
can say after Hassan says.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Answer. Brinjal, it a part of fruit. Then groundnut, it's part seed. Potato parts leaf. No, ma'am. Stem.
What? Hmm.
Yes, potato stem. Then spinach leaves and beetroot is root.
Very good. Chalo. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. These are the filling the blanks, okay? Okay, who wanted to say after Hassan Kapasi? Who was asking me to answer the question? I forgot.
Ma'am, Sabir Yanas.
Yes, beta, please.
Beetroot, root, brinjal fruit, potato stem,
Very good. Very good. Then leaves and flower is left.
potato,
And groundnut and seed is left.
groundnut, beet,
Seed beta. Groundnut is seed. Then leaves. लीव किस वेजिटेबल के लीव खाते हैं हम?
potato vegetable,
सॉरी, किस प्लांट के लीव खा सकते हैं हम? कैबेज. करेक्ट.
यस मैम.
देखना है, हाँ देख लो आप एक बार. करेक्ट. So let's move on to filling the blanks now. देखो, अभी ब्लैंक यहाँ पे भी आ सकती है एंड यहाँ पे भी आ सकती है, ठीक है। सो इफ आई आस्क दैट डैश इज अ कार्निवोर बिकॉज इट इज ओनली मीट, तो यहाँ पे लायन भी आ सकता है, टाइगर भी आ सकता है, ओके। एनीथिंग दोज
Okay, ma'am.
एनिमल्स व्हिच आर कार्निवोर कैन कम, ओके।
Okay.
जरूरी
Ma'am,
नहीं
I dash in that.
है तो टाइगर ही लिखो, ओके। बट सॉरी व्हाट?
No, ma'am, nothing.
But if I ask, okay, but if I ask tiger is a dash because it eats only meat, then you have to write carnivore here, okay? Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Then
Okay.
same thing applies here in the second blank. The blank can be here also and it can be here also. Dash eats only plant products and so it is called herbivore. So dash में deer है, यहाँ पे cow भी आ सकता है, goat भी आ सकता है, rabbit भी आ सकता है, all right. And but if I ask a goat or sheep eats only plant and plant products and so it is called a dash, then you will have to answer. What is the answer going to be?
Dear.
No, cow or goat eats only plant products, so it is called a dash.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
What will be the answer? Dash में क्या आएगा?
Ma'am,
Cow
can
eats only plant.
Herbivore.
Herbivore, correct. Then parrot eats only dash products. So here the answer will be plant. All right. Similarly, the milk that we drink, which comes from cow, buffalo, goat, is an animal product. The milk that we drink, which comes from cow, buffalo and goat, is a animal product. Okay. अगर यहाँ पे मिल्क की जगह पे मैं चीज या बटर लिख दूँ तो सेम आंसर आएगा
cheese to
बटर और पनीर,
ma'am, no
है ना।
animal it,
चीज बटर पनीर किसमें से बनेगा?
milk sir.
मिल्क का सोर्स क्या है? एनिमल है,
Yes.
तो चीज बटर पनीर एनिमल प्रोडक्ट हो गया,
Yes.
है ना। तो अगर मैं
Yes.
ऐसे ट्विस्ट करके पूछूं तो आपको आ जाना चाहिए, ठीक है।
Ma'am, here what is the FB animal product now?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Then we get sugar from
Sugar cane. Sugar cane.
sugarcane. Correct. चलो, देयर आर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन। ये ट्रू और फॉल्स और 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर है, वो जल्दी जल्दी खत्म कर देते हैं, ठीक है। पैरेट ईट ओनली प्लांट प्रोडक्ट, ट्रू और फॉल्स, जल्दी जल्दी बताना। हाँ,
False. Ma'am, true. Yes,
पैरेट
ma'am.
ईट ओनली प्लांट प्रोडक्ट, ट्रू और
Yes.
फॉल्स?
True.
ट्रू। Cereal, fat, oil are body building food.
False.
All plants are edible.
False.
Animals which eat both plants and animals are called carnivores.
False.
Cooked food is tasty and healthy.
True. True.
True. True.
Honey is made from milk.
False.
False.
Honey is made from milk.
Ma'am,
False.
false.
False. याद रह गया? चलिए चलिए देख लो एक बार। हाँ जी।
Yes,
प्लांट
ma'am.
पैरेट है, वो सिर्फ प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स खाता है, सही बात है। सीरियल, फैट्स और ऑयल्स है, वो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड नहीं है, गलत बात है। ऑल प्लांट्स आर एडिबल, नहीं, सारे प्लांट्स एडिबल नहीं होते, कुछ प्लांट्स है वो नॉन एडिबल होते हैं और जहरीले भी हो सकता है। एनिमल्स है जो बोथ प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स खाते हैं उसको कार्निवोर्स नहीं पर क्या कहते हैं? ओमनिवोर्स कहते हैं, ठीक है। कुक्ड फूड इज टेस्टी एंड हेल्दी, यहाँ पे देखो फोर्थ ट्रू और फॉल्स में मैंने ट्रू लिखवाया है बट इट इज फॉल्स। यहाँ पे आंसर में ट्रू दे दिया है गलती से, बट इट इज फॉल्स, ओके। कुक्ड फूड इज टेस्टी एंड हेल्दी, इट इज ट्रू। एंड हनी इज नॉट मेड फ्रॉम मिल्क, हनी इज मेड बाय
Honeybee.
हनी बी, करेक्ट। चलो, द मेन सोर्स ऑफ आवर फूड इज
Plant and animal.
Correct. Bees store dash in their beehive.
Honey.
Bees.
Honey. Herbivores.
Very good. Cow eats only plant products and so it is called.
Herbivore.
Herbivore.
Pumpkin is the dash of a plant.
Flower.
Flower. Flower.
The edible plant part and spinach is.
Leaves.
Very good. Tea is obtained from dash of a tea plant.
Leaves.
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 Very good. Lion is a dash animal.
Carnivore.
Carnivore.
We eat dash in onion.
Leaves.
Leaves.
Very good. Chalo. I think you guys know this, right? चलो herbivore के दो example दे दो जल्दी से.
And herbivorous example is sheep and goat.
Carnivore.
Ma'am, omnivorous or carnivore?
Sorry, omnivore.
Yes, omnivore is human and deer.
Okay, plants whose roots are edible.
So edible radish and
Reddish carrot.
radish carrot.
Correct. Plants whose stem is edible.
Potato
Sugarcane
and
and potato.
sugarcane.
Carnivores.
Lion and
Lion,
tiger.
tiger.
Scavengers.
Vulture and
Jackal and vulture.
vulture and jackal.
Jackal and vulture. Correct. Plants whose flower is edible.
Ma'am, pumpkin and cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Very good. चलो. चलो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ 3 mark क्वेश्चन. इसमें भी क्या करना है, हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर और ओमनिवोर का डेफिनेशन लिख लेना है और सबके एग्जांपल्स दे देने हैं. देखो हर्बीवोर का डेफिनेशन और उसके एग्जांपल्स है काउ, डियर, शीप. कार्निवोर की डेफिनेशन और उसके एग्जांपल है लायन एंड टाइगर. ओमनिवोर का डेफिनेशन है और उसके एग्जांपल है फॉक्स एंड बेयर. ओके, तो दिस इज नॉट अ बिग डील. ये आंसर हमने पहले भी लर्न कर लिया है और ये 3 marks में आ सकता है. ठीक है.
मैम पहला
फिर
आंसर
सेकंड तक क्वेश्चन.
एग्जाम्पल के साथ.
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
मैम जो पहला आंसर जो रीड किया वो इधर लिख डालना
हाँ,
ऊपर.
सेम टू सेम. यस, एग्जाम्पल के साथ लिखना है. ओके. फिर क्वेश्चन 2 क्या है? एक्सप्लेन द वेरियस सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड. So we have 2 types of sources of food, and that is plant as a food and animal as a food. Okay, plant and animal. Plant में क्या करना है? Seeds है, leaves है, stem है, root और flowers है जो हम plant part से खा सकते हैं और सारे के examples दे देने हैं. ठीक है. Seeds में क्या आ जाएगा? राइस आ जाएगा. स्टेम में क्या आएगा? पोटैटो आ जाएगा. रूट में रेडिश आ जाएगा. फ्लावर में पंपकिन आ जाएगा. करेक्ट.
यस
एंड द
मैम.
सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू विथ एनिमल.
यस मैम.
एनिमल्स में हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम जो हमने जो पहले दूसरा आंसर रीड किया था वो सब इधर लिख डाले तो चलेगा कि अलग ही है, डिफरेंट है?
इट इज वन एंड द सेम. थोड़ा बहुत सेम ही है. अगर आप लिखना चाहते हो तो लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स में एनिमल मीट और एग्स. देखो ये फिर इससे एक्स्ट्रा है तो ये आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. और एनिमल फूड, एनिमल फूड से हमें क्या क्या मिलता है? काउस, बफेलोज एंड गोट. में गोट के पास से हमें मिल्क और मिल्क के प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. राइट. और द लास्ट वन इज स्कैवेंजर्स. स्कैवेंजर्स के बारे में भी आपको पता है. स्कैवेंजर्स क्या है? जो डेड एनिमल्स को खाते हैं. They keep an ecosystem free of dead animals, free of the body of dead animals. Correct?
Okay.
And the examples are vultures, who are scavengers, who only eat the bodies of dead animals. Correct?
Okay.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, this exam is not in Google. This Google exam.
What? No,
Means-
beta. You will get the PDF और आपको something supplementary में लिखना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Shall I take your leave now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
आप 4 ही जन हो. 3 ही हो. अनस, हसन एंड मोहम्मद रागिब हसन. अनस आसिफ, हसन कपासी, मोहम्मद नायानी एंड रागिब बचन नकवी. Only 3 of you.
Yes.
Very good. I am proud of you that you are attending the class at least. चलो मजा आया आज।
Yes,
बाय
ma'am.
मैम, बाय
बाय बेटा।
बाय मैम, बाय।